Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the screen lock in this device. To set the screen lock, for this go to settings. Then here you can see the option security and privacy. Tap on this one, scroll down, tap on device unlock. Then select the option screen lock. To set the screen lock, you have to select numeric or alphanumeric or pattern. So here I am going to select the option pattern. Then to create a pattern, we need to connect at least 4 dots. Tap on continue. Then here we need to enter the pattern. Again confirm the pattern. Then from here we can enroll our fingerprint unlock. Then you can enable this one from here, otherwise cancel this one. So let me show you how to enable this one. Now you can see they are asking for the pattern screen lock. It is unlocked up. So simply in this way we can set the screen lock in this device. So now here you can see the path of the pattern. So if you don't want to view that path, then here you can see the option show track. Just turn off this one. Now again I will show you how it works. Now draw the pattern. Now you can see the track is invisible. So simply in this way you can set the screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.